Well, hello, and welcome back to yet another incredible video. And today I was challenged to bring you guys some budget Christmas gift ideas. That's right, these are going to be gifts for teachers, coworkers, friends, and pretty much anybody that you want to make smile this holiday season. I'm going to take you guys shopping with me. Then we're going to go home and put these together, and you guys are going to be shocked and amazed because each one of these gifts costs less than $10. Let's go. Okay, you guys, so we are on the hunt for supplies for our budget holiday gifts. We're doing a collaboration with Quiche from Keisha the Stylist, Joy from Joyful Designs, and Kay from At Home with Kay. And I know we're going with cups, but I'm wondering if I can loosely use these buckets a little bit because I've seen people serve drinks in buckets. I feel like I've drank a drink in a bucket before. So I'm going to try these out because I like the price. You're getting 2 of these buckets for $1.50. So let's grab a set of these and then let's find another vessel. We'll do a traditional cup and we'll see where it goes. Okay, you guys, so we've got some traditional cups over here. Oh, which one do we like? Which one do we like? I think I really like this cup. So this is going to be our kind of traditional cup that we're going to use for the collab. So I think we're just going to do 3 all day. So we've got that bucket situation with the 2, and then we've got this. Let's find our items to put in. Okay, you guys, if you were on my other channel, which is BOK Media Food Freaks, you would have seen when I found this Elf on a Shelf kind of chocolate cookie. But then what did I stumble upon? But this kind of sugar cookie style. And I feel like this is going to fit into one of our buckets, so I'm snatching it up. Woo! Okay, guys. Well, you know I can't help it. We got to throw some socks into one of these buckets. Now, I really like these they're very warm looking socks with the Christmas ornaments on them. So I think we're going to grab some of these for one bucket, and then we might grab another pair of socks for the other buckets. Let's go. Okay, you guys, I see some more socks. Very Christmassy. Not slim, kind of shady. Oh, I love that. But I really like these Get Lit socks. So I am definitely going to grab these and put those into one of our cups. And I think this is what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure to put a pair of socks into each one of my gift sets. Okay, you guys. Well, I can't not at least grab one of these gigantic peppermint sticks because when I was a kid, this was just a known, right? You always had a peppermint stick like this. And I want to make sure that I have one of my gift sets with that. Now, the other thing to keep in mind if you're doing multiple gift baskets is to think about these items, right? Where you're just paying the $1.25, but that you get multiples of something in it because you can drop one in each basket, right? So not a bad deal. Now, I love this. Look at this light bulb lolly. You best believe I'm grabbing one of these for one of my baskets. Let's put that in there. Okay. What else is going on? And because we're using the smaller basket, we do have to be, or the smaller kind of cup size, we do have to be aware of, just like the size of the packaging and things like that we're putting in. But I love this hot chocolate ball. I'm going to grab one and see if we can't figure out how to get that into one of our baskets. Now let's see, is there anything else here that's super cool of that? Now what's happening here? Oh, this is like a little chocolate bar. This one feels like it's a little bit broken. Let's see if we can find one that's not broken. Okay. Oh, I love this. Very cute. Very cute. We're going to definitely add that into the mix. Now, let's see if there's anything else. Oh, come on now. Again, if you guys were on my other channel, which is BOK Media Food Freaks, you would have saw that I had saw this little teeny tiny thing of Nutella, and somebody is about to get this in their gift basket. Let's go. So one of the things I really like to do is look at just what would be kind of cute, give like a cute project or something inside of there. And I stopped into the kind of toy section here and I saw this cute little pop art kind of paint by number situation. And this is appearing to be $1.75, and we are going to add that into our bucket basket. Okay, you guys, one of the other things I love to add in, as you guys know when you saw me do the Father's Day basket, is I do like to add, if I can find it, some like cute little puzzles and stuff like that. And I thought this little crossword book is just freaking adorable, right? It looks high quality. It looks higher quality to me than what I'm about to pay for it. And I think it's going to be cute. So I'm going to add that into one of our buckets. We're going to see if we can squeeze it in, you guys. Okay, you guys, it's like a party house in here, but I'm hoping we're gonna be okay. We're gonna grab some of this filler to fill our cups. I think I'm gonna grab 2 of the white, or sorry, 2 of the red. Didn't mean to move you guys so quick. And then I'm gonna grab 1 of the white just to kind of give it a little pop boogie. Now I would grab the green. I suppose it's green, but I feel like that's a little electric. I feel like that's a little electric for me. And they do have this like kind of teal color, but neither of those make me think of Christmas green. So I'm gonna stick with the red and the white. So I want to take a second and talk about the ladies that I am collaborating with. And one is Joy from Joyful Designs. And you've seen me collaborate with her in the past, and you will see me collaborate with her again in the future. First, she's my crafting bestie, but second, I love what she does. She brings so much innovation to the work that she is doing on her channel. She's bringing us DIYs that are not only budget friendly, but beautiful for the eyes. I'm also collaborating with Kay from At Home with Kay, and Kay is like giving us all the okay to try things, to bring beautiful designs into our home that we have made ourselves and give it a shot. Next, let's talk about my girl Quiche from Keisha the Stylist. You might not think that she does DIYs, but that's not true. This woman DIYs all the time, but really her Jimmy Jam is sustainable fashion. She is coming for us, you guys. She is teaching us thrift tips and taking us on thrift trips. That's right. It is a good time over there. When you guys finish up watching my video, make sure you check out my description box so that you can find links to these ladies' videos. So now that we're back home, we're just gonna put these gift cups together. This process is gonna be relatively easy, but if there's any questions, make sure you guys put them in the comments. Otherwise, I'm gonna let you guys sit back, relax, and watch this. Okay, so I love this one, you guys. This is basically a good time in a bucket, right? And a thing to keep remembering as we go through the video is that each one of these sets did not cost me more than $10 to make. So that is really, really important because I know we're all trying to stick within a budget. Also, make sure that you guys let me know in the comments which one of these gift sets you'd be most interested in having.
So as promised, here's another hack / tip. Dollar Tree sells these slow cooker liners, and they're perfect for what we're going to use them for. And you get 4 of them in a box for that $1.25, I believe. And so you're gonna watch as I take these liners and basically use them to kind of wrap up, kind of be that bag or that cellophane, if you will, around our gift cups. And this is so easy, so simple, and so budget friendly. Watch this, you guys. Well, as always, I thank you guys so much for watching. I truly do appreciate each and every last one of you guys. I also hope that you will choose to head on over to these ladies' channels and see what they've put together today. Also, make sure that you subscribe. And as always, know that you can come back, hang out, and be okay with us.